This isn't Miami, this is Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Lucas Robinson at Kelly Sport. Come check out this Prestige 460 Fly with me. Stepping into the cockpit of the boat, very spacious layout in here. As far as the helm goes, I love the setup. You've got a TV on the starboard side, big U-shaped wraparound seating right here next to the captain. Then in the galley, you have your refrigerator, convectional oven, microwave, and a sink. Down here in the master stateroom, very open, very luxurious. You do have a full-size queen bed, which is always nice. His and her closet does have a TV. Another thing I love about this model is it has a bathroom for each stateroom. So this one has its own, and then the forward has its own as well. Stepping up onto the Flybridge of this boat is very, very spacious. As you can see, common theme throughout the boat. You got nice big U-shaped seating here. It does have a galley, so you've got your stove and your fridge there, and then you've got a full helm set up. Just like downstairs, you have everything up here as well. Guys, this 2025 Prestige 465 is the ultimate boat for Lake of the Ozarks. From the drop-down hydraulic swim platform, the U-shaped seating here in the aft, custom teak table, and very easy access up to the Flybridge. Thank you guys for watching. Like we said, it's a 2025 Prestige 460 Fly. Very, very clean boat in very good shape. Only about 100 hours and Volvo D6s for power. So if you have any questions, want to check it out in person, give us a call. This is Lucas Robinson at Kelly Sport. Have a great day.